I'm super excited. The long-awaited Inkscape 1 beta is now available from inkscape.org. There are a lot of new features in this release, but I'm really excited about one that's really simple. Now it's easy to customize the look of Inkscape with theme settings. You could do this in the past, but it was a manual process that required you to go into the hidden folders in the file system, and it could be really messy. Now the customization is all within the GUI, which makes it quick and easy. Here's how to do it. Open up Inkscape, go up to your menu, Edit, and go down to Preferences. Select the interface preference, and from there in the drop-down menu, you'll see Theme. Select that. Here's all of the theme change settings. So the first one allows you to change the skin of Inkscape, and so that's Change GTK Theme. There are 4 different themes that you can use, but there's also the option to use the system theme. So if you want to make your Inkscape look like it runs on Windows 32, you can do that. Personally, I don't want to do that, so I'm going to change it back. The feature that I'm really excited about, and I think most of you guys out there will be excited about as well, is the dark theme. In order to activate dark theme, all you have to do is toggle this button, use dark theme, and there you go. You can also change the way your icons look by changing the icon theme. There are 3 different built-in icon themes, or again, you can just use your system icons. If you want your icons to look simplified, select Use Symbolic Icons. And as you can see, that just changed them to being all uniform, all white. You can deselect Use Default Colors for icons. And that will enable these 4 color settings. The first one, Icon Color, allows you to change the main color of the icons. The highlight colors only work with certain icon themes. So the one that I've chosen, High Color, does not use these highlights, but other themes like Multicolor Beta do. So you can see right now the green is highlight down here, the pink is the highlight over here. So that's how you can change the colors of your symbolic icons. The last options are you can change your icon sizes, and you can also choose to show icons in the menu. These settings do require an Inkscape restart. So that's how you can easily customize the look of Inkscape in Inkscape 1. To see the other new features in this release of Inkscape and to download it, just go over to inkscape.org.